The lion has been spotted again. No one leaves after dark.
What you just watched was not made by a studio. It was not made by a team of animators. It was not made with expensive software. It was made by one person, sitting at a laptop, typing a single prompt. And the tool that made it is completely free. Right now, there is an AI tool that almost nobody in the content creation space is talking about yet. It is still in its early access phase, which means you can sign up today and start using it for free. It gives you free credits every single day just for logging in. And it can take your story idea, your characters, your voice, your scenes, and your animation, and turn all of it into a fully produced 3D animated video without you touching a single editing timeline. I am going to walk you through the exact process from start to finish, and I promise you, by the end of this video, you will have everything you need to create your first animated video today. So do not skip anything, because the step most people get wrong is actually one of the earliest ones, and I am going to make sure you do not make that mistake. The tool is called Anijam AI, and you can find the link in the description below. Once you land on the homepage, take a moment to scroll through and watch content that other creators have already made using this tool. Do this before you do anything else, because what you will see is proof that Anijam AI is genuinely powerful for creating faceless long-form content that looks like it took a full production team to make. When you are ready to get started, click the button that says Start for free. You can sign up instantly using your Google account, or you can enter your email address and create a password manually. Either option works perfectly fine. The moment your account is created, you will receive 500 free credits dropped straight into your account with no payment required. Now here is the first thing you must do before you touch anything else inside the tool. Find the daily check-in button and click it. This gives you an extra 100 free video credits added to your balance every single day, on top of the 500 you already have from signing up. Think of these credits as the fuel that powers everything you create inside Anijam AI. Every scene you generate draws from this balance, so making a habit of clicking that check-in button every time you open the tool keeps your credits topped up and your workflow moving without spending a single dollar. Now, look at the bottom left of your screen. You will see the Recent Projects section. Go ahead and open a new project. A new canvas will load with a demo through the entire workspace. On the left side, you will see options like AI image, AI video, lip sync, motion control, and more similar to Design AI. But what makes Anijam AI different from every other tool you have tried is that it is not just a feature menu. It is a full AI animation agent, an all-in-one dialogue-driven platform that handles the entire video production pipeline from a raw idea all the way to a finished, polished video. On the right side of the screen, you will see some inspiration ideas the tool suggests, but we are going to ignore those and use our own fresh story. So go ahead and paste your prompt into the input box at the bottom. Now, here is something that most beginners get completely wrong, and it is the #1 reason people get disappointing results from AI video tools. If you type a vague idea into this box, the AI will give you a vague video. The secret to getting a cinematic, professional-looking output every single time is to give the AI a fully structured story input. That means your prompt needs to include 5 specific things. The title of your story, the central theme or emotion you want the video to carry, the core story idea, written out in 2 to 3 sentences, the setting where the story takes place, and a clear description of your main character or characters, including their name, age, physical appearance, and personality. When you give the AI all 5 of these elements together, it does not just generate random, disconnected scenes. It builds a full structured story with visually consistent characters and a clear creative direction from start to finish. Here is the master prompt structure you can copy, paste, and edit for your own video. Go ahead and pause here to screenshot this so you have it ready. For this tutorial, I am going to use a prepared story that I have saved in a Google Doc. It is about a brave young man named Okello, who wins the heart of the most beautiful girl in his African village named Okello. Once you have your story ready, and your prompt is complete, paste it into the prompt box. If you already have character visuals or a reference style you want to use, you can upload them here as well. Then hit generate. The AI will immediately start building your story outline, and the best way I can describe this experience is that it feels like using ChatGPT but for animation. You simply talk to it, and it automates all the heavy lifting of video production for you. Now here is where things get really interesting, and this is the part most tutorials skip over entirely. Once the story outline is ready, the AI will ask you how you want to generate your video. You have 3 options to choose from. AI Director Mode generates the entire video from start to finish in one fully automated process. Workflow Mode lets you review and build each scene individually, which gives you more hands-on control. And Oscar Film Mode is designed for creators who want the most polished and cinematic visual quality possible. For beginners, I strongly recommend AI Director Mode because it does all the heavy lifting for you and uses the most powerful generation models available. I will be selecting Kling 3 as my video model because it generates scenes with native audio built in, but Seedance is also excellent for this kind of storytelling content. Before you confirm, you need to set your project configurations. Set the audience to general so the content works for all ages. Set the platform to YouTube and the aspect ratio to 16:9, which is the standard format for YouTube long-form videos. For the audio mode, choose whether you want your scenes generated with dialogue, voiceover, or music only. I want full native audio, including character dialogue, so I will select that option. Just keep in mind that this will use more credits because each character needs to be lip-synced to their lines. Anijam AI supports videos up to 25 minutes long, but for this tutorial, I will set it to a shorter duration and hit confirm. And by the way, you do not need a computer to do any of this. You can run this entire workflow on your phone by downloading the Anijam app. So if you are on the go or you do not have access to a PC, that is not a barrier at all. The AI will now start building your full story outline directly on your screen. Take a moment to read through everything it generates. You will see the title, the plot, the character goals, the props, full character descriptions, objects, locations, and a complete scene-by-scene breakdown of your entire video. Read through all of it carefully because this outline is the foundation that every single part of your video is built on. If something does not look right, this is the best time to catch it. Once you are satisfied with the outline, click the Style Design button. You will see a range of visual style options including illustration, anime, 3D Disney style, 2D flat animation, material art, and more. For story-driven content that performs well on YouTube, the cinematic palette style consistently gives you the most premium-looking output. I will select that and then click Concept Design to move forward. Pay close attention here because the style you choose at this stage affects the entire look of your video, including how your characters are rendered, how the environments are built, and the overall visual identity of every scene. Now click Generate All Concepts. The AI will automatically generate 3 things at once: your character visuals, all the objects associated with your story, and the complete environment for your scenes. This step is one of the most important in the entire workflow because it locks in visual consistency across every scene. From this point forward, every frame your video generates will be built on these visuals. And that is exactly what gives AI-generated videos that professional studio quality feel where everything looks like it belongs to the same world. When the concept art finishes loading, review your characters carefully. If an extra character has been generated that does not belong in your story, or if a character does not match the description you provided, you can fix it right here without starting over. Click the 3 dots on the image and select Place on Canvas. The image will open in the built-in editor. Use the Describe feature to type your correction as a simple instruction. For example, I typed in that I wanted the girl to have a fuller and more curvy body shape. Hit Generate and the AI will produce 4 revised versions for you to choose from. Select the one that best matches your vision. Then come back to the Characters panel. Click the plus icon next to the character you want to replace. Click the 3 dots and choose Select from Canvas to save your preferred version. Copy the character details across to the new entry and delete the old one so your panel stays clean and accurate. Now here is something that will save you both time and credits, so pay attention to this part. Before you render anything, review every single scene in your storyboard. If a scene description does not fully match your vision, edit it right now at this stage. Making changes to the storyboard costs nothing. Making changes after your scenes have already been generated will cost you credits and time that you cannot get back. Once you are happy with everything in the storyboard, click Generate All at once. The AI will begin animating every scene automatically using the video model you selected, which for this tutorial is Kling 3. You will see a live progress indicator on the right side of the screen as each scene renders. When all scenes are done, click Generate BGM, and the tool will automatically create a matching background music track based on the theme and emotional tone of your story. When the final preview is ready and all your media has been added on the timeline, click the timeline button at the top of the screen to see your complete video laid out from start to finish. Preview it all the way through before you export. After watching mine, I noticed the background music was too loud and was overpowering the character dialogue and ambient sounds, so I muted the BGM track and will do the final audio balancing in CapCut. I recommend you do the same because a quick external polish always takes your final video to the next level. To export your video, click Advanced Export. Set the format to MP4, the resolution to 1080p, and the frame rate to 30 frames per second for standard YouTube uploads. You can leave all the remaining settings at their defaults. Click Start Export, and your fully animated 3D cinematic video will download to your device and be ready to upload to your channel. Here is the full video.
The lion has been spotted again. No one leaves after dark.
Who are you? I do not speak to poor boys.
My name is Okello. I live at the edge of the village.
Okello? From the family near the baobab tree? The one who...
The same.
I have met someone.
Who is she, my son?
Her name is Akello from the wealthy family at the East Gate.
From the wealthy family at the East Gate?
Son, from that family would never permit such a man.
Why me? Why did you agree to all of this?
Because I wanted someone who walks into the jungle when everyone else locks their doors. I need a man who makes others feel safe.
And that is your complete animated video, created from a single prompt using Anijam AI. No animation experience, no expensive software, no team required. Now it is your turn. Click the link in the description below, sign up for free, collect your daily credits, and start building your first story today. If this tutorial saved you hours of research and gave you a clear path to follow, do me a quick favor and hit the like button right now. And if you are not subscribed yet, subscribe now so you never miss a free AI tool before everyone else finds out about it. I will see you in the next one.